Hey there, this is Champion Trader Kevin Davey, and I'm here with another cringy algo trading moment. So let's get started. Now, you might say, hey, what's a cringy trading moment in algo trading? Well, I define it as something that you do or something that you've seen other people do when you're developing a trading system that is just bad. It just makes you cringe when you see it because you know it's going to lead to bad real-time results. And so, in this video series, I'm trying to share with you some of those biggest ones, some of those cringiest moments, so you can avoid having them in your own trading. So today, I want to talk about a cringy trading moment that I call, hey, just pick the day of the week you want to trade. So what's that mean? Okay, well, let's start out with a simple strategy. This is just buying the highest close the day after the highest close or selling short on the lowest close. And it's an intraday system, so we'll just exit at the end of the day. So it's a real simple system, okay? And it produces quite a few trades. Now, these are all intraday trades. It could apply to any system at all. You can see it's taking trades. And so what most people do at this point, after they optimize or whatever, is they'll look at the overall net profit. And here's the net profit for that system. It's just okay. It's nothing to write home about. But here's where a lot of people do something that makes me cringe. And I've done it myself way back when. I don't do it anymore. But it's a cringy moment. They look at this and think, hey, maybe there's a certain day of the week where it's best to trade. Maybe Mondays or Tuesdays. So what they do is they go and look at the results by trading day. Now, some trading software will allow you to do this exactly and easily. TradeStation, which is what I use, is a little more complicated. So you have to export the trade data to Excel and convert it and all that. I won't show you all that, but here's what it shows. It shows that Wednesdays are bad days for this system in this market, which is crude oil. It's logical to say, hey, maybe I should just eliminate Wednesday and things would get better. Okay, well, here's what you could do code-wise to get that. You just say, hey, if it's not Tuesday, then you can take trades. And then on Tuesday, because you're evaluating at the close of Tuesday, these are with daily bars, on Tuesdays, you're not going to buy and enter a trade on Wednesdays. So this should, for the most part, avoid Wednesday trading. There might be a couple little Wednesday trades because of holidays and that kind of stuff, but for the most part, this will eliminate Wednesdays. And then you look at the results and wow, hey, it gets a lot better, right? That's about a 50% increase in profit. Now, you still might not want to trade this system, but you say, hey, I've eliminated the bad days. So what makes this so cringy? Well, think about what you're doing. You're taking the results, you're looking at them, and then you're filtering out some trades for some arbitrary reason. It could have been Tuesday, it could have been Thursday, it could have been Friday. You made it Wednesday because Wednesday was worse. The problem with doing that sort of thing is it doesn't work going forward. It almost never works. And here's what it's done the last 2 years out of sample without trading those Wednesdays. As you can see, it lost money both those years. And actually, I don't have the results to show you here, but it actually lost more money had I just left it in and let it trade on Wednesdays. So Wednesdays were bad in the test, but out of sample, Wednesdays actually became better. So the point is, you can't just cherry pick days after the fact. You can't look at your results and then decide, oh, well, that's what I'll do. And that holds true with a lot of things, not just day of the week. I've seen people do it with months. Oh, hey, I'm not going to trade July because that was historically my worst month in backtest. That stuff doesn't work. But You might say, is there a way to make it less cringy? Yes. And what you can do is you do it up front. So let's just say with crude oil, you said, well, hey, there's a weekly report that usually comes out on Thursdays. And I don't want to be involved in that at all. So I'm going to build my strategy so it never trades Thursdays. And then you go and test it, and maybe it works out well. Well, hey, then that would be a good reason to eliminate a day because you came up with the reason before you tested, not afterwards. If you're going to look at the results and then make your decisions, that's always a cringy thing to do. To wrap it up, when you're testing, make sure you make your decisions before you do the back test. Don't look at back test results and then make decisions because you're going to get into trouble in real time. You'll make the back test better, no doubt, but your real-time performance will usually suffer. Well, hey, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment. I'd like to know, have you ever done this? And what kind of cringy things have you done? I respond to all comments. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. That'll keep me making videos. And I hope you avoid cringy things like this in your algo trading. I'm champion trader Kevin Davey. Have a great day.